I'm Kipling, and I'm a kid who loves good food. But I wonder, what does it take to make food really delicious? Come with me as I research the science behind fantabulous food and how to cook it. This is FOOD, Culinary Science for kids of all ages. Hello, welcome back to FOOD, and today we're going to talk about density. So, first we have some, since it's the 4th of July really soon, I'm really excited by the way, so we're going to make a really easy recipe that I have. It's called Patriotic Punch. We're going to have a layered red, white, blue drink, but first we're going to do some science. So, the things that are the most dense will go to the bottom. Density is the amount of mass per unit of volume. So sugar makes it more dense because it gets more saturated, and sugar will dissolve in it and make it saturated. So first we're going to do a little bit of math before mixing these together. So our red has 30 grams of sugar per 8 ounces. And this one has 21 grams of sugar per 12 ounces. So we did some math and we figured out that this one actually has 14 grams of sugar per 8 ounces, and this one has 30 grams of sugar per 8 ounces. So they should balance out pretty well. Our blue, it says that it's 0 sugar, so it's just 0 sugar, good for the top. And yeah, so we're going to start by putting in our ice. Oh gosh. Gonna just dump all of these in here. Cold. Okay, cold. I don't want my hands to get frostbite. There we go. Okay, I can set that off to the side. Okay, we're gonna start by pouring in a little bit of. There we go. Finally got it off. I don't know if I can pour this safely. Okay, need to be careful. There we go. That's about 1/3 of the cup. Did not fail, which I am very happy about. Now with this one, you want to be more careful. You're going to tip it and slowly, very, very slowly, pour it down the side. This is going to hopefully work and layer. That's perfectly layered. Okay, now same thing with the white with the blue, just possibly even slower. Oh, okay, this is kind of full. Happy about this. Okay, now time for the test. Okay, let's see if this is good. It separated perfectly. Now time to see if it's good. That is actually really good. Okay, so thanks for learning about density with me. It turned out really good. And I watch all my other videos and look out for more videos. We'll upload more at maybe random times, and goodbye.